Now, one final topic here in our task on importing in custom administrative template files. And this has to do with the two different kinds of template files, the old ADM version and the new ADMX version. Now, Microsoft would really prefer you use the ADMX version because in the ADMX version with the Group Policy Central Store, there's only ever one copy of that ADMX file that ever is lying around. This is in contrast with the old format where conceivably an ADM could be added to every single group policy object that you create, which could have the unintended consequence of greatly increasing the size of the sysvol that needs to be replicated. Well, if you end up with one of those ADM files and you need to get it converted over into this XML format, into the new ADMX format, Microsoft actually provides a tool called the ADMX Migrator, which you can search for and download right off of Microsoft's website, that provides a way to, number one, edit or create your own ADMX files, and number two, to actually convert the old format into the new format. Now I've downloaded a copy of this from Microsoft's website, and here I've installed it onto this little desktop. This is our Windows 8.1 machine, where I can launch the ADMX editor. It is within this editor where we could go about creating our own ADMX files, or alternatively, up here under the root node, right-click and choose to generate an ADMX file from an old-school ADM file. So here we have that config manager installation file. That's the one we uploaded a second ago. If we wanted to convert this to the new XML format, we could select it, choose Open, take a look at any errors or warnings that appear here, and then export out the resulting file so that we could then import it into our Group Policy Central Store. Notice here that under ADMX templates, we now have that config manager installation, the actual file, that we could then later right-click here and save as a pair of ADMX and ADML files. So this tool, again, it's available for you on Microsoft's website for those occasional situations when you need to take an old school ADM file and convert it to a new school ADMX file.